Hi students, MCQ number 17. During an experiment, an ideal gas is found to obey an additional law. V into P square is equal to constant. The gas is initially at a temperature T and volume V. When it expands to volume 2V, the resulting temperature has to be determined. So this is a different type of question which was asked in the earlier entrance examination, okay, in the medical entrance. But it is very simple. So let us rewrite the given equation. So what is given? Volume into pressure square is equal to a constant. Okay, so this is the given equation number 1. For 1 mole of any gas, what is the ideal gas equation? P into V is equal to R into T. So R is constant. T is also a constant provided initially the temperature is maintained at T. So here left hand side there are 2 variables. Okay, pressure and volume. I can express pressure in terms of volume. So here P is equal to RT by V. So pressure is expressed in terms of volume now. So this is taken as equation 2. So I am going to substitute equation 2 for pressure in the first equation. Therefore, volume V into RT by V the whole square. RT by V the whole square is equal to constant. Okay. So V into R square T square divided by V square is equal to constant. So systematically if you do, you can understand easily. So this square and this factor V can be cancelled, or the same can be written as what? R square T square by V. So R square T square by V is equal to constant. Now here R is universal gas constant. Okay, therefore T square by V must be constant. Okay, R T square by V is equal to constant. So this is another expression now, equation 3. So here what is given? When the gas expands to a volume 2V, then the resulting temperature has to be determined. As per the given equation, this is the relationship between temperature and volume, is it not? So T square by V must be constant. So when T is increased to a temperature T dash, V is increased to a volume 2V. Therefore, I can write T square by V is constant. Therefore, T dash by 2V must be constant. So T dash square divided by the new volume is 2V. This also must be what? Constant. So I can write now T dash divided by 2V. Okay, T dash square divided by 2V must be equal to what? T square divided by V. This is the relationship between the T and the T dash. So which can be cancelled now? The volume V can be cancelled. So T dash square is equal to 2 times T square. So taking square roots, we can write what? T dash is equal to square root 2 times T. So this is the required expression. What is asked here? When the volume expands to 2V, the resulting temperature T dash is equal to root 2 times T. So which of the options is here? Option C is root 2 times T. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Okay, I hope you must have understood well. Fine.